says I can identify parts of a circle. You have two. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be able to identify parts of a circle. The second thing, I can find the circumference of a circle. I know, I'm sorry. It didn't work. Okay, so on the outside of this foldable right here, your little Pac-Man, I want you to write parts of a circle. We don't have time. We'll come back to it tomorrow. We got to go. Yes. Just like that. And then just tape down the back. Yep. Looks like a piece of pie. Glue's fine. Does the same thing. It attaches it. Alright, so now let's open. Now, you should already know most of these parts, correct? What is a radius?
That's like halfway through. Yeah, it's like you go halfway. Half of the diameter.
It's half of the diameter, so it goes from the center of the circle to the edge. Okay, so let's write half of the diameter. From the center to the edge of the circle. And what's the diameter then? But what does it have to pass through?
The radius.
It has to pass through the center. So the diameter goes all the way across a circle and must, underline must, because it has to pass through the center. So if the radius is half the diameter is how many times the radius?
2
times the radius. Good, take a point. All right, looking at this picture, what is a chord? A line that what?
Looks like long. I don't know how to explain it, but like I know what it is.
Does it pass through the center?
No.
Does it touch two sides of the circle?
Yes.
Okay, so it is a segment that does not pass through the center but touches two sides of the circle, like I just said. All right. A segment that does not go through the center but touches two sides. Or two edges, since the circle doesn't really have sides. Alright, what's an arc then? So the radius is the line. The diameter is a line. The chord is a segment, or really they're segments. What is an arc? Would it be a segment? Do we have any segments on here? Or is it just an outside piece of the circle? All right. An outside. Ooh, Blair, change colors. And an arc is measured in degrees. What is the total degree of a circle? 360. So this looks like it's a fourth of it, right? So what would be the measure of this arc?
90.
Why?
90.
As a fourth, 360, 90.
Good, take a point. Could you... Are we ready? Or do we need to move? We gotta learn how to cut faster, guys. Are we ready now? Curtis, I'm about to have to go, baby. Like, we gotta move. Outside piece of a circle, measured in degrees. All right, if I wanted you to name this circle, what would we call it? Circle P, because that's the only thing in the middle and that's the center. Take a point. If I wanted you to name a radius, what would you do? PR and PS, or SP. All right, if I wanted you to name a diameter, RT. If I wanted you to name a chord, what would it be? Where else could I draw a chord?
RS, yeah.
RS?
XR.
XR?
GS.
Cool. All right, name an arc for me.
An arc, TS.
GPS.
TS like this.
GR.
So if we went, now that's a great thing. TS would be this arc right here. If it was TRS, where would it go?
All the way to the middle.
That one.
TR.
You can use any of the 3 points.
Is it not going through the middle of it?
No, arcs are the outside.
Oh.
So it's like the outside piece of a pie.
I thought you still like counted.
How would you write an arc? Like, you write a line, you put a line.
You would write TS with an arc. Yeah, isn't it fun? Okay, so what you're going to do while I'm gone is you're going to go to the circumference page. I want you to get this first part without me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have done circumference before. What is the formula for circumference?
It's like half pi something.
That's area.
Oh, that's area. Oh,
That's close.
Pi r squared.
We just said that's
I
area.
didn't hear him.
2 pi r.
Oh, wow.
And that's if you use the radius, or if I wanted to use the diameter, what could I use?
Just 2 pi.
Pi times diameter.
Pi times diameter. Because diameter is 2 times the radius. Now, what does circumference give you? Does it give you the outside of a circle or the inside of a circle? Outside of a circle. It's like the perimeter. Good. Take a point. All right, so do 1, 2, 3, and 4 without me. I am probably going to post a video on the back part of your foldable, so be on the lookout for that later.